Across Africa, goods and services are delivered by petrol bikes. If we could reimagine the delivery system, it would look safer, cheaper, and more efficient. We deploy e-vehicles to riders and we connect them to vendors, and we are able to ensure that they get jobs. We're also bringing really informal vendors into the digital economy. Consumers are happier because they get their deliveries faster. We're basically building an ecosystem. Electric bikes have completely changed the game for Africa. We are turning this radical transformation of last-mile delivery in Africa into reality.